Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best off-road hoverboard Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Jetson Aero Hoverboard, lightest off-road hoverboard. The Jetson Aero all-terrain hoverboard has a really light feel to it and a slim design. At only 19 pounds, this is the lightest hoverboard I have ever tested, and honestly, it feels like you're walking on air. The self-balancing scooter comes with a pair of 6.5-inch rubber tires which can make the roughest terrain feel like a smooth ride. It also has a 300-watt dual motor which can push to a top speed of 7 miles per hour with a 7-mile range per charge. It's definitely not the fastest on this list, but certainly not the slowest as well. The hoverboard has a maximum battery life of up to 1 hour, and you have to charge it regularly. Sadly, it does not have a Bluetooth speaker, but it has some rad light-up wheels, so there is that. The LED headlights themselves are quite small, but they do get the job done. As for the ones on the wheel, well, they will make you glow with glory as the colors of the rainbow spin at your feet. Personally, I think that the light-up wheel gimmick is a bit silly. My younger nephew thinks so as well, so I am not sure who they are marketing this to, but as long as people enjoy them, right? Number 2. Our second best pick is Swagtron T6 Off-Road Hoverboard, best heavy-duty off-road hoverboard. The Swagtron T6 Off-Road Hoverboard is a beast of a machine. This bad boy has a pair of 10-inch rubber tires, which are nylon-infused and reinforced with alloy steel. This means they are shock-absorbent. Needless to say, they can travel across any terrain, gravel, rocks, mud, you name it. It doesn't matter if there are bumps in the road or if you are going at a 30-degree incline, the rubber tires will ensure a smooth ride. All of this is enforced by a self-balancing technology and a powerful 300-watt dual motor. The Swagtron self-balancing scooter has a top speed of 12 miles per hour and a maximum range of 12 miles. The 12-mile range is mainly due to the lithium-ion battery which will last you up to an hour or so. Just make sure you are not too far into the wilderness, because if the battery runs out, you will find that it's very hard to carry this thing back home. Luckily, there is a battery indicator, and you can monitor the levels on your app as well. Once you are done with your adventure, you can plug in the Swagtron all-terrain hoverboard. With a charging time of 2 to 3 hours, you won't have to wait long before you are out and about. Number 3. Our third best pick is GoGo, best off-road hoverboard for young and old. The GoGo hoverboard is the perfect self-balancing scooter for both adults and kids. This also incidentally makes it the perfect gift for anyone. The hoverboard has a pair of 8.5-inch rugged tires that can go through most rough terrain, including snow. Likewise, its 400W dual motor can push to a maximum speed of 6 miles per hour and can handle a 10-degree incline. Certainly not the best on this list, the GoGo self-balancing scooter feels more like a kid's toy rather than an off-road machine. The hoverboard has a charging time of up to 3 hours and a battery life of 1 hour. You can check the battery levels via the indicator on the electric scooter's surface. Sadly, there is no mobile app that can show you the battery life or one that can control the speed. Instead, you can only connect it to your phone through Bluetooth to play some tunes. Of course, the Bluetooth speaker is pretty decent, and I did not notice any connectivity issues while testing this bad boy. There are also LED lights, but without a mobile app, you can't change their color. At least they are bright enough that if you buy this for some little rascal, you can be assured they will be fine riding at night. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Gyroor F1 Hoverboard, best designed off-road hoverboard. The Gyroor Hoverboard looks like something from the future. Its design was inspired by the traditional look of Formula One cars, hence the name Gyroor F1 Hoverboard. Honestly, this has to be the best-looking self-balancing scooter I have seen, but I understand that some people might find it a bit gimmicky, especially with the race car sounds. Don't worry, you can turn them off. A solid-looking design is great and all, but what more does this hoverboard have? Well, almost the entire body is made from aluminum, and the big SUV tires are adaptable to any terrain. So far, apart from the unusual tires and design, everything seems pretty standard. The Gyroor Hoverboard has a 350W dual motor and is pushing a maximum speed of 9.95 miles per hour. It is also capable of climbing a steep 30-degree incline and has a range of 9.5 miles. This means that the lithium-ion battery lasts just under an hour, around the 50-minute mark by my estimates. Don't worry though, unlike the GoTrax SRX Pro, this electric scooter charges up pretty fast. Just let it sit for 1 to 2 hours, and you will be good to go once again. Oh, there is also the fact that the battery is removable, so you can carry a spare if your battery life runs out. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Tomalu Music Rhythmed Hoverboard, best hoverboard with Bluetooth. Apart from having a very slick design, this is the best hoverboard with Bluetooth out there. Personally, I am partial to the black version, but no matter what color you choose, this will be the best-looking hoverboard you will have. Yes, it is even more swaggish than the Swagboard. This electric scooter can handle a weight limit of 220 pounds and has acceleration sensors and of course self-balancing technology. However, its top speed is not the best at just 7.5 miles per hour. It's one of the slowest on this hoverboard review. The rhythmed hoverboard also has a maximum range of 4.3 miles per charge of its lithium-ion battery, which is probably the lowest range I have seen on a kid Segway. That is not necessarily a bad thing. Having a slower speed means it's that much safer for smaller children. Meaning, this is the perfect hoverboard for 6-year-olds or even 5-year-olds. However, where this hoverboard truly shines is with its amazing Bluetooth speaker. It has the newest 4.2 Bluetooth technology which brings you an amazing stereo sound. Trust me, my neighbors hate me now. That's not all. The rhythmed hoverboard's LED lights change with the volume of the music, so you will have your own disco at home. There are 2 LED headlights and LED wheels, all of which are brighter than my future, so you will definitely be safe during the night. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.